Hello children, welcome to the social studies class. Today we will start a new chapter, our government. So in this chapter we will discuss about what is government, the levels of government and the different organs of government. Government is the political system by which a country or community is administered and regulated. So let's discuss about the three organs of the government. The three different organs of the government are legislature, executive and judiciary. So what is the work of legislature? Legislature, it makes the laws, and executive implements the laws into action, and judiciary, it settles all the disputes. India is a vast country and it is not easy for a single government to govern such a big country, and it is also the largest democracy in the world. So children, what do you mean by democracy? It is the form of government in which political control is exercised by the people directly or through their elected representatives. So, to govern such a big country, our government operates at two levels, the central government and state government. Powers have been distributed between both the levels in order to avoid conflict. During any crisis, the central government comes to the aid of the state government. The central government or the union government consists of the president, vice president and a council of ministers headed by prime minister. The legislature or the lawmaking body is known as the parliament, and it has two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha consists of 545 members, out of which 543 members are elected directly by the people. 2 members may be nominated by the president from the Anglo-Indian community. Citizens who are 18 years and above can vote and elect their representatives. These representatives are nominated by various political parties. Any citizen above the age of 25 can stand for election to the Lok Sabha. The members of Lok Sabha are elected for a period of 5 years. Rajya Sabha is called the upper house of the parliament. The members of the state legislative assemblies of different states and union territories elect the members of Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha has 245 seats. Members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for 6 years. The president is elected by the elected members of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the state legislative assemblies. President of India is the head of the entire country. A number of political parties fight the Lok Sabha elections. The party which has more than half of the total number of members in the parliament is called the majority party. The president appoints the leader of the majority party as the prime minister. The other ministers are appointed by the president on the advice of the prime minister. They help the prime minister in running the government.